All right, so come in. Let's go with the front room. Comes through. So it's going to be the dining room. Come out here. It's going to be the kitchen. And then we come down here. And then we've got the toilet in there. So extractor, a couple of spotlights, blah, blah, blah. We've got downstairs where we've got the bedrooms. So there we go, there we go. So there's Toby pretending to be busy again. So that's one bedroom in there. And then we've got another bedroom in here. We've got the mains coming in here. So we've got to put a small one-way rifle panel on there, split the feed so we can have 2 meters on there. And then one will go up to the flat upstairs. And then there'll be a fuse board over there which will service this one down here. So that's flat 1. All right, this is flat 2. So you come up the stairs. This will be a lounge area up to about this wall. It's going to get built here eventually. And then from there, that way, it's going to be a bedroom. And then there'll be another flight of stairs going up to there where the boys are sellotexing. And there'll be another bedroom up there. And then out here is going to be a kitchen. So yeah. Oh, and I believe there's a toilet going over there as well. So very tight. All right, so we're back at this one again. This is the one in Canterbury. So we've now finished this. So the mains are all in there. There's a little bit more work to do in there, so I don't want to show it off yet because it's not tidy or complete. So come through, and then these are those little bedrooms that we did. So yeah, the client's got some tidying up to do. And yeah, so nice little walk-in censored cupboard light. So these are the 2 bedrooms that are downstairs. And then, up we go to a lot of furniture being moved in. So, and then here's the kitchen. Nice and pretty. And then let's go into the thingy, and then got a nice little bathroom. So downstairs is all central heating, and then we go through to the communal porch. Excuse us, Toby. Right, and then so we can't see the other flat. So there's the fuse board for the other flat straight away. So ta-da, all installed nicely, all marked up. Nice bit of spray painting in there as well, so thank you. Always like a bit of spray paint. So censored light on the stairs as you come up. Right. And then we come in, it's the other kitchen. With the light switch over yonder. So, and then there's that. So, and upstairs is all electric heating. So, yeah, so there we go. Nice little, it turned into a nice little snug area in the end. We didn't know what I was going to do with that, but that looks quite nice. Another door entry for the upstairs flat. Go into the bathroom where we've got nice brass shaver sockets. So with a EcoStad wireless towel rail, Wi-Fi towel rail, not wireless. So yeah, and then here's the front room where all looks nice. Nice finish. Yeah, we was asked to upgrade from white plastic to antique brass, so I was happy to accommodate for that. And then go upstairs to another bedroom. So it's brass throughout. And then we come in and there we go. So, all right. So that's the one we've been working on over in Canterbury, which we started just before Christmas, and it's now February. So yeah, quite a nice turnaround. So well done, guys.